Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Moneylion trust account. So setting up a Moneylion trust account allows you to manage and distribute assets to beneficiaries. So if you want to do that, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and password. And once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the trust section by clicking on the trust tab. Next, you want to click on set up a trust account, and then select the trust type that you want. And once you're done with that, you need to enter the trust information and confirm the setup. And then after that, you just gotta wait for Moneylion to execute the trust account setup for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Moneylion trust account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.